Hello friends, I am Chetan Parmar and today I am going to discuss about PLSQL packages. We already discussed in last video and last to last video about procedure, function and trigger. But at some level, if we want to combine or create a one package which contain a multiple function, multiple procedure and one package, so one container, that container is known as actually a package. Okay, so now see how it's work and how to create packages. So it's a packages are a schema object that groups logically related PLSQL types, variable and subprogram. You can focus on these three things: types, variable and subprogram. Again, subprogram contain procedure and function, so directly or indirectly we can say that procedure and function. A package will have two mandatory parts: package specification and package body, or we can also say that a definition of the package. Okay, now package specification. What is actually a package specification? The specification is the interface to the package. It just declares the type, variable, constants, exceptions, cursors, and subprogram that can be referenced from outside the package. So we can say that it is a package specification is just purpose for declaring the variable, type, constants, exception, cursors, subprograms, and everything. Okay, all objects in the specifications are called public object. Any subprogram not in the package specification but coded in the package body is called a private object. Okay, so you can also be create a public object also and private object also. Depends upon your situations and depends upon your requirement. Now see how to create package specification. Here I am creating a package for customer. We already see the customer table in last video also, procedure video also, and in function video also. The same tab we are using in the package also. So for creating a package, we use syntax, or for creating a package is a create package is a keyword, then it's a name of package. See here I am creating a package for customer salary, so cust underscore salary, then as is a keyword, then this package contains the just declaration of procedure, functions or type. Here I am declaring a procedure, so procedure name is a find salary, which takes one argument is a customer ID, and this customer ID is a type using percentage type. So here I am providing this table name dot field name is a ID and then percentage type. Means the C underscore ID is taking the data type value is the same well type is a customer table ID. Okay, using percentage type and and customer salary. Okay, so just creating a package specification and execute it by slash. So we are getting package created, that means our package specification is successfully created. Now the package body. The package body has the codes for various methods declared in the package specification and other private declarations which are hidden from code outside the package. That means if you want to create some secure data information in a package specification, that value will be given into the package body. Okay, so the create package body statement is used for creating a package body. Same way, here we can use create package specifications, and for body you have to create package body statements. So now we creating a package body for this package customer underscore cell. So create or replace package body package name, here customer underscore cell. See, be careful for here when you want to create a package body, the package body name is the same name as a package specification. Here we are using customer cell, it's the same as here, okay, because this already declared. Now we are providing the body of that declaration, that its name is you compulsory, its name you want to must have to same as keyword. Then the procedure, our procedure name is a find underscore salary is already available there. Customer underscore id is our parameter. Type of customer dot id is here I am declaring a one variable customer underscore salary. Again here I am using percentage type. So using salary data type and pick up this type to customer c underscore cell variable. Now begin section of procedure begin. Here I am finding the salary of that particular customer. So select salary into c underscore salary. So ultimately this salary will be stored into this variable C underscore cell from customer, where this ID table ID equal to customer ID which I am already passed here. Okay, then I'm just printing here dbms underscore output dot put underscore blind, and just value I am printing C underscore cell by salary, and define salary, it is the procedure termination, and is a cust underscore cell, it's a package body termination. Okay, so package specification already we created. Now here you create the package body and just execute it. So we get the message package body created. That means our package body is perfectly created. Okay, now how to use this package element in a program or in a PLSQL block. So for that you can use this first package name, whatever your package name you given, dot element name, which element you want to get. It may be variable, procedure or function also. Okay, here in this video we are creating a one package name is a cust underscore salary is a procedure. So here same package we are calling here. So declare, then code is our variable name, type of customer dot id, percentage type colon equal to ampersand sign double c underscore id. Okay, here ampersand sign means that we take input from user. So whatever value user inputted, that value will be entered into this code variable. Okay, which is actually this customer ID, and that customer ID salary we will be find using the package. Then begin section, and here we are calling package. So first is the package name. See here is the package name. So customer underscore cell is our package name. Dot and element name. So we have already a procedure. So find salary, and here we are passing one variable. This is code which already inputted by user. So code and termination by end. So this PLSQL block is over. Now we execute this block by slash. So whenever this execution is performed, it will be directly call our package, and through that package it will be called is procedure, and this procedure takes parameter which is taken from the user, and output will be generated. So suppose if you are passing value 1, so its salary will be 3000 rupees, it will be displayed, which is done by package. Okay, now see this is our customer table. We somewhere we are going in more details here how this package will work. Here we in previous example we just using one procedure. It's a simple procedure. Now little bit ahead, we are going and creating a little bit complex procedure or in packages. So for that we are performing the on customer table. Okay, we have each have 6 record. Now here I am creating a package specification. So create or replace package. My package name is C underscore package. Okay, then as keyword, here I am creating a first procedure for adding a customer. So that means I am performing insert operation here. So procedure name is add customer, and our table have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. So I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters, and it's all are percentage type by using table name and field name. Okay. Now second procedure for removing customer name is a delete customer, and here I am deleting by customer ID. So I am passing one argument. Customer ID is again I am creating by percentage type. And third procedure for display, so just list customer, which will be display whole table information. So basically in this package, three procedures are available: add customer for adding a customer, delete customer for deleting a customer, and a list customer for displaying a customer table information, and terminated by end. So procedure name and C underscore package, and execute this package slash. So we get successful message, and this means our package specification is already created. Now package body. So create or replace package body. Here I am using C underscore package, which already this C underscore package is. So our package name is, and first procedure body I am here providing. So procedure add customer whole parameter is begin section of this procedure, and I am here filing a insert query. So insert into customer all column name values is a is C underscore ID, C underscore name, age, address, and salary, which already passed when is this the package will be called from PLSQL block. So this value I am passing is as a value, and add customer. So this procedure is over, which is already done, and it will be adding the customer information into customer table. Same way for delete procedure. So procedure delete customer ID here I am passing as a parameter, and delete query. So delete from table name customer where ID equal to C underscore ID. Whatever ID you are passed, this particular ID is record will be deleted, and terminate this delete customer procedure. Okay. Then our third procedure for display list customer. Then is cursor. Here I am using cursor because I am fetching more than one record at a time. So you can follow our cursor video, how to create cursors, and how to calling cursors, how it's work. This all informations I am explaining in that video, so you can visit this cursor video. So here I am creating a cursor using cursor keyword, cursor name, and is select name. I want to just displaying a name from customer. So customer table name, then type CList is a table of customer. Again person type I am using, and name list of CList and CList method, and counter is integer equal to 0. In begin section, and here I am using a cursors by cursor for loop. So for and in the cursor name CS underscore customers, and using these loops I am incrementing counter variable, so counting total number of records, name list extends and name list counter, and display this value, and using dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, I am just displaying a customer with name list. Okay, and terminating the loop, this cursor follow is over, and the list customer procedure is over, and end and C underscore package. So package is over. So now package specifications and package body both are over. We just pass in slash and press enter. So we get successfully message. That means our package body is now ready. Okay. Now we are calling this package. So PLSQL block we are creating for declaration section. Here we declare a code because we are using a delete customer based on this code. So this code value I am providing here using again personal type, and here I am this time I am providing a hard code for 8 number of code. Okay, and begin section the C underscore package. This is a package name dot it's a procedure name in add customer, and here I am passing whole value about this. This is the ID, name, age, and then address and salary. And this add customer method procedure will be adding this value. Same way, second I am finding, so 8, so total 8 records will be created. Then I am just calling C underscore package list customer. So it will be displayed total 8 records, 6 is already exist, and 7 and 8 are we are just adding this value. Now this 8 number record I want to delete. So C underscore package dot delete customer and code value. So code is a 8, which is 8 is passed here, and 8 number record will be deleted. And again I am just displaying this customer information. So now this time we will display only 7 record because 8 is already deleted. And which is a PL block termination and execution of the PL. Okay, I hope you understand how to create package, how to create package body, and how to call in this package from PLSQL block. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me. I hope you are enjoying this video and you like this video. If you like this video, you can click on like button. You can also subscribe my channel. You can also share this video with your friends and colleagues. So thank you so much once again and have a good day.